So what's up, you lovely bunch? I thought I'd give you a quick whip round Maverick because it's massively undersold. This thing is an absolute masterpiece. Built by Vass Technology, a £60,000 build cost. This is a fully restored shell painted in Tweed Grey with a Snowberry White roof. Presents absolutely immaculately. So what have we got here? We've got a Tesla Model S full electric converted Mini with 120 brake horsepower. It has the option to go to 300 brake horsepower. These things are absolutely insane. It's instant torque. You would have never ever driven a Mini as fast as this. Obviously we've got the 10-inch wheel conversion, we've got all Cooper S running gear, fully adjustable suspension. This can be put back to standard if you're a lunatic. We've got a full luxury tan leather interior with Harris Tweed centers. We've got a full original MkIII dashboard that's been converted to digital. Everything obviously on this car is absolutely brand new and presents immaculately. It's got a 35 kilowatt hour battery with a range of 150 miles. It's also got an LSD, which was done at a huge cost by Vass Technologies. Look at this Mini. It is total perfection. 99 pence. There's also a life-changing £22,000 tax-free cash alternative available on this car. Look at the size of the boot. This is a proper practical daily driver that presents absolutely amazingly, and you will not find another one. Head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get your tickets, and you might well be our very lucky winner of Maverick tomorrow at 10 PM. I wish you all the luck in the world. Good luck.